Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add variations on eBay listing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This feature is really useful if you're selling items like clothing, for example a t-shirt, where you may have different sizes such as small, medium, and large. To get started, head over to the eBay website and click on Sell in the top right corner. Then click List an item, and here type in the item you're selling. In my case, I'm selling a t-shirt, so I'll type that in and press search. If you see the exact product already listed in eBay's catalog, you can select it to speed things up. If not, simply scroll down and click Continue without match. Next, choose the item condition. For example, I'll select New with tags, then click Continue. Here, it will ask where you're selling from. Simply enter your address information, including your country, city, postal code, and any other required details. Once here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and make sure the pricing format is set to Buy It Now, because variations only work with Buy It Now listings. Once that's done, you can go ahead and fill in the rest of the details like your title, description, and item specifics. To enable variations, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Make sure the Variations option is turned on, then close the Settings window. After that, scroll down and you should now see the Variations section. If you don't see it, it usually means the category you selected doesn't support variations. Click Edit, then click Add to create your variation title. You can choose from the list or create your own. For this example, I will select Size Type, then click Save. Select the variation and start adding options like small, medium, and large. Once all options are added, click Continue. Now you can upload product photos. If you want different images for each variation, use the drop-down menu, select size, and upload specific photos for each option. Scroll down to Variation Combinations, where you can set stock quantities and prices for each size. Prices can be the same or different depending on the variation. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add variations on eBay listing. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.